Earth and Planetary Sciences Department offer two full-time degrees. One is an accredited geology degree and the other is a planetary with astronomy degree. The accreditation of the geology degree is done by an external professional body who look at the curriculum to make sure it's relevant, to make sure that we're giving you transferable skills, employability skills, and that we're teaching the right sort of topical material, whether we teach enough geophysics, enough maths, geochemistry, etc. So it's very much favoured by employers who see the amount of practical work that has to be done, and we ensure you do that through various ways. Some are through field trips, some is through practical work to augment the lecture material. We use a lot of innovative technology to help support your journey with us. With the technology that we use, we really hope you can get the best degree possible, and 81% of our students this year qualified with either a first or a 2-1. So we are very much a team. You're part of that team. If you're willing to work, we can get you some good results. We're facilitators of your learning.